from walking from my place go down to the beach and then just walk down the beach to the beach fest. But we're only gonna walk a little bit. It's Farley, it looks like. We're gonna walk right up to the bank. Farley did put a couple pounds on. Good for him. That's Chris Farley, you know that, right?
Huh?
It's Chris Farley on the four-wheeler, you know that, right?
Chris Farley's what?
He's on the four-wheeler right there. That was him.
Chris Farley.
Oh, yeah, it was.
Okay.
That's what I call him. That's Farley. He looks like Farley. He ought to get a job in Hollywood as the new Farley. They ought to make a video about him. Some big old huge waves out there right now. Usually Beach Fest is 2 weeks long, 2 weekends long. They have 3 days. They take a little Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday break. They usually have Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday for a 4-day weekend, and then ends up being 2 full weekends. But not this year for some reason. Go through all that work just to do three little days of shows and do 2 weekends. Anyway, not too hot out today, so the sun was out just a little bit, and we're gonna have a nice super hot afternoon. But inland I can see the sun shining over there, but down here at the beach overcast and no winds with our ice water day. Ice water happiness. Pretty ice water-ish. I don't know where this came from, but I guess a storm. A lot of ice water. Came in 3 days. Still a lot of people out venturing into the water. Not really caring about the temperature change. I notice it drastically every day because walking in it, and the other day was like bath water. Nevertheless, though, you can still play around in it. It's hot enough. It's hot enough you can stay out in the sun and go in the water a little bit and then get cooled off by the nice sun rays. Just a little bit breezy right now, and not feeling like it's super duper hot. Nice though, there's a lot of people out. Public area of the beach. Sure, Farley's rolling up behind now. Hoping he can confiscate my video camera device, but he can't because we're not gonna go on too far. We're just gonna walk up and turn around like yesterday. Just to show you what they leave for us, what's been left for us, the public. Not to see nor hear nothing. There comes Farley up on the left. He's coming up incognito. I can't think of the name of that other guy. It was he's pretty decent, although I like the other guy a little bit better. But yeah, Farley and I don't know what we should call him. He's like a little look at coordination with that little thing he's got around the back of his head right there, the little hair loop, doopy thing. Monster waves right there, by golly. glad I'm not missing nothing by not going out there. Coming up on Lagoon Pile 2, Drainage 5. So yeah, I'm looking and begging and hoping that I'm gonna have a couple teammates to help me clean the beach tomorrow morning. You know who you are. Can't say your name. I think of them now like Honeydew and my son. And his wife. Pretty ice cold water, I tell you. Why do they think that it's hot? Well, it was hot though a couple days ago, but it's not anymore. When it was hot, it's not. It's freezing cold. Freezing cold. I guess maybe if you're young, you get used to it a little bit. I'm not gonna be getting used to it. Yeah, even with the wetsuit on, for you, that'd be pretty decent, but there's a lot of big monster waves out there. Not playing around. So I'm sure they probably said and notified and made sure, but they'll arrest little grandmas if you try to go past them barriers up there. Just like they arrested the lady with the kid and almost broke her arm off. Just thought maybe she was gonna bomb, but I don't think so. They just gotta be careful, I guess. Trying to be safe for the people. Trying to be safe. We don't want nobody getting blown up. So, yeah, tomorrow morning, 6 a.m. Gonna be at least a Olympia. Good to see a lot of people out at the beach. Made their way down here in the public area. Farley hasn't arrested anybody down here in this area for filing out. Probably won't be able to hear any music or anything because of the way that they're headed. Push the lifeguards down, tear it down here to the middle of nowhere, in the middle of the station. It goes to show you they'll uproot anybody, family or not. You're moving, son. Oh yeah, that's going on here. This people know to move around through the lifeguard check. That's where the most safe place is. Where the lifeguards are. So move them and groove them. You want to try to get cotton candy or something? That's why you're trying to bring the wallet.
Yeah, that's why I wanted to bring the wallet. No. I really wanted to.
So we're gonna be same as yesterday, just walk up to the fence and I'm not gonna let anybody through. Not even Chavez. I don't know if you saw last night, but we walked up there to the gate and I saw gratis, gratis, gratis. We're coming in free. And he's like, yeah. They don't even want to go in. Gratis or no gratis. If it's free, I'll go make some videos for you. If it ain't, you're gonna have to stay with the paint. I don't need what does it say? Pink Floyd say? Can't get no satisfaction from that that music, so you can't get no satisfaction from watching your little thing. We're all about the beach and what's going on at the beach. Who's at the beach? Family at the beach. Yeah, we don't care about that. Everybody loves Bubble Guy because see the dance and everything. And you know, there's like always tries to help me because when he sees that I'm making the video and stuff, he will turn down the radio, and so that I don't get violated for copyright. So yeah, I think you should just like run around there, see how far we get it, take off running and see if they do anything. But I don't want Jack to get too wet. Well, I'm glad I got that tattoo in time, so I didn't have to go into the water. I'd be out there paddling around right now, and he'd probably be shooting at me. Oh, they already took. Oh no, they're way out there still. But yeah, providing that I would have been able to go into the water, I think I would have, and probably would have gotten in trouble. I've been paddling around out there and get videos from the water like I normally do. I'd be out of control. So I'm glad we didn't have a chance to go in there. It's probably a good thing. So yeah, and then if there's a chance that I don't know how, I don't really care. You could get down to the other side of the pier where the Rosarito Beach is, and down in there. Maybe you can get on that side and have a little tent or something. Possibly watch the thing over there, but we don't really care about it either way anyway, so. Pretty cool and windy day though for the beach. A lot of people are still enjoying that frosty water. It's pretty cold, I'll tell you that. Probably not going to be too much for sunset today. It's pretty dark and overcast, as you can see, and skies. Some people make money just during the daytime while they're dropping it. They're picking it up. That's kind of nice. Yep, cotton candy. Yeah, but the small part of the beach, they're not gonna let us people not enjoy one of the best summer beach days that we have left. And it's school is back. Before you know it, September will be here. Wow, really not that hot of a day at all. It's kind of cool and breezy. Thanks again, you guys, for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching the videos. And like I said, still we have plenty of beach. Lots of beach. Plenty of beach. Plenty of room to camp, hang out, cook out, enjoy your little week here in Rosarito. Find Brian. Brian. Where this guy's at? He's been hiding for like 2 weeks now. 5 o'clock. Biker's getting ready to roll it out. Sorry, Farley will be here to save their lives. He's riding around on that four-wheeler a little bit too much, and he's getting too far out of hand. Oh my goodness. He's gonna have to go on an exercise regime. He gets bigger, I get smaller. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed the videos. Thanks again for all the new subscribers. Thanks for watching. Thanks for all of you guys that continually watch the videos, and hopefully we'll see you at the beach this next weekend. Don't try crossing right away, because there's going to be lines getting back over there to the other side. So be prepared to wait in line. Always go on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday for quick crossings, and in the morning at 11 o'clock, Otay Mesa crossing. Alright, thank you guys. Be safe out there, and hopefully we'll see you at the beach. Hit that one ball right on that other one. Always remember, if you see these signs right here, see prohibited El Paseo, no trespassing, contains Fuegos Pegago, don't pass the sign because everybody else did. Stay safe. Be safe. Don't go into the dangerous dirty. No trespassing zone. Alright, guys.